আসসালামু আলাইকুম। আশা করি সকলে ভালো আছেন। আমি বোরহানুদ্দিন আপনাদের সবাইকে আমন্ত্রণ জানাচ্ছি। আজকে একটা মজার ঘটনা, একটা মজার ইন্টারভিউ আছে। আপনাদের সবার সাথে শেয়ার করতেছি। তো আমি আপনারা মোটামুটি সবাই জানেন যে আমি কাতারে থাকি। তো কাতারে বিশ্বকাপ উপলক্ষে ২০২২ সালে বিশ্বকাপ উপলক্ষে পৃথিবীর বিভিন্ন দেশ থেকে প্রায় ১৩৯টি দেশের নাগরিক কাতারে বসবাস করে। তো এর সুবাদে আমারও বেশ কয়েকটি দেশের লোকজনের সাথে কাজ করার সুযোগ হয়েছে। আমার কোম্পানিতে আমার কিছু কলিগ আছে আফ্রিকান ন্যাশনালিটিস, নাইজেরিয়া আছে, উগান্ডা আছে, সুদান আছে, তারপরে এশিয়ান ন্যাশনালিটিস পাকিস্তান, ইন্ডিয়া, নেপাল, শ্রীলঙ্কা সহ আরও অনেক দেশের লোকজনের সাথে কাজ করার সুযোগ হয়েছে। তো আজকে আমি আসলে উগান্ডার এক বন্ধু আছে আমাদের সাথে। সে আমার কলিগ, আমার সাথে আমাদের কোম্পানিতেই কাজ করে। সে একজন বাইক ড্রাইভার হিসেবে কোম্পানিতে নিয়োগ হয়ে এসেছে। আমি নিজেই তাকে নিয়োগ দিয়েছি এই কোম্পানিতে। তো তার সাথে আমরা কথা বলবো। আশা করি আপনারা সবাই এনজয় করবেন। হাই সাইমন, হাউ আর ইউ?
I'm good. Hi, everybody. I'm called Simon Peter from Uganda.
Wow, you are from Uganda. Yeah, I already told our viewers that you are from Uganda. So actually, Simon, I want to know about your culture in Uganda and religions. Can you tell me something about your culture and the religion in your country?
Yeah, first of all, most of people in our country, they are Christian. So that is Christianity. Though there is some Muslims, few, like maybe 20%.
Okay.
They are Muslims, but the largest number is they are for Christianity religion. Then there is also other religions like born agains.
Okay.
So and so many like religion.
Like it's mixture. Like, can you tell me what is the total population in Uganda right now?
So the total population right now 30 million.
30 million. Yeah, 30 million. Like এটা আসলে 3 কোটি, প্রায় 3 কোটির মতো। Like it's 30 million. Within 30 million, how many percentage is Christian, or how many percentage is Muslim in your country?
So like out of like 30 million, like 20 million Christians. Then like the even Muslim, they can be like
like it's about 70% is Christian. Am I right?
Yeah, 70% Christian. Then Muslim also they take. I think the second there. Then there is also born again and other religions there.
Okay. So I want to know actually the culture. Like, what's your culture there? Like, everyone can prayers same like in our country. We have in the same place we have mosque, we have pagoda, we have girja. Everything is same. No any no one facing any problem to make their religion to prayer to their god or Bhagavan or Allah. There is no any problem from our government and from our society also. If do you have any problem in your country to Muslim people or majority or minority? Do you have any problem like this?
No, so far as it in Uganda, everybody can pray like in your religion. The Christians, they can go to church. Muslim also, they can go to mosques every Friday. So even the born again, there is that freedom of worshiping. So there is no any problem, and there is no like fighting. Maybe that Christians are fighting with the Muslims. All people are the same, and they will love each other.
Wow, very good. So Simon, can you tell me like where is your country situated in Africa? Actually, it's nearby South Africa or where? Can you tell me the geographical map of your country?
Yeah. So for us, Uganda, we are in East Africa. So our nearby countries, there is Kenya, Sudan, Tanzania, Rwanda.
Maybe also Zimbabwe is also your
Zimbabwe, no. It is near us, but it's not like in East Africa.
There is no border with Zimbabwe.
Yeah, so like Nigeria, they are in West Africa. So South Africa, they are also in South Africa. Though we are all in Africa.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much. And actually, I want to know about your, in how to go Uganda. Do you have any processing like we need visa or something like this? If there is any, do you know any knowledge about how to travel to Uganda or not?
Yeah, according like those people from Bangladesh, they are blessed because by the time I left Uganda, the Bangladesh people they are free to move without visa to our country. So if you are there in Bangladesh, you can try your luck, and it is not expensive to go to Uganda, and everything is good there. That's why our country they are calling it the Pearl of Africa. So the weather, everything is good. So if you are in Bangladesh, you can use that chance and you go and you visit the country called Uganda because each and everything is good there. Now they are calling it the Pearl of Africa. So everything is good, the weather, everything, climate. You can go if you have time, and then it is not expensive to go.
Can you tell me about something special places in your country that any tourist or anybody can go there and to visit? Can you tell me about any place?
Yeah, first of all, we have like mountains. We have mountain.
Wow, mountains.
There, Elgon. We have rivers, River Nile. That one I think it is very famous. We have mountain resort. We have wildlife conservation there. Everything they are just there. The cities you can get chance and you see them. Even if you can Google and you see.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So
Okay, thank you so much. And can you tell me about your currency? About by $1 or one Qatari real, how much is in your country?
so like right now our money so far lost value. That's what I can say. Because like if you have like a one Qatari, it depends. It keeps on increasing and
Decreasing, no problem. Now, right now, I want to know current situation, like 1,000 plus, one Qatari real. Maybe before I knew that one Qatari real in your country, like 1,000. What is your currency? Dollar or name? What is your currency name?
for us we are using
Fulas.
shillings.
One Qatari real is equal to maybe 1,000 plus fulas.
No, it is now it's maybe can be like there in a 900 like and something there.
Okay.
So right now.
Okay, no problem.
So if it is dollar, I think $1 it can be like in
Maybe 2,000, 3,000 like this.
in shillings. Yeah. Like,
Okay. So, can you tell me about your family and your livelihood there in Uganda? Actually, what is the most easiest work in their Uganda, and what is the main working procedure like implementation? What about the implementation and the food, and what is the agriculture about agriculture? Can you tell me something about like this? As our video is limited, can you tell me about your implementation and agricultural system?
so the agriculture system, the most people they are doing farming like cattle grazing.
Okay.
So having like sugar plantations there, that is the most of the famous work that people are just doing
Sugar
there.
plantation.
Yeah, sugar plantation. They are dealing in farming.
No any industry like any garments and no any industry there.
There is industries, but I'm just giving you the most people that they
employment.
do. So, but industry they are there. So, like we have so many industries for sugar, like for plastic materials, everything. We have some, but the famous work that people are doing there.
Okay. So I want to know one thing. Most probably, in this whole world, something is happening. Like all the government is making corruption in their every footprints. So I want to know in Uganda, what is the situation of government? There is any corruption or not?
So corruption, I think corruption is everywhere. Though like it depends on the percentage, but as leaders, I cannot say that there is no corruption. There is. Yeah.
But not too much, am I right?
Yeah, it depends, but there is
As
corruption.
your economic situation is not too much higher, so that they don't have any chance to make huge types of corruption. So maybe they are making corruption, but it is not like showable or not like a major percentage. Am I right?
So the corruption is there, as you know, every country there is corruption, but they like what can I say? It depends, but though there is some corruption, yeah, I cannot say that there is.
How is the government system there in Uganda? It's democratic or what? From army, it is leading by army or by democratic system. Do you have the do you have the right the voting or not?
Yeah, we have the right of voting. Even this
How many
this
years is the duration for our government?
five
5
year,
years. Huh?
even this January 2021 for 23 we're having general elections.
Okay.
So they vote every 5 years. So there is that voting process.
Okay. So here you come for a job. So are you satisfied working in our company? Are you satisfied and your family also?
I'm satisfied, whereby I cannot say that I'm like we keep on the more like
Actually,
you cannot
yeah,
say that I'm
yeah.
not you cannot like be satisfied, but you can
You
get a little that
have
you
to
can
be, you
share.
have to be satisfied.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. So thank you so much, Simon Peter, to be here and face this interview. আপনারা সবাই দেখলেন আসলে আমরা সবাই উগান্ডা নিয়ে অনেক বিভিন্ন ধরনের বিভিন্ন হাসাহাসি করি তো দেখেন ওরা কিন্তু অনেক ভালো এবং অনেক সিম্পল আমি ওর সাথে এতগুলো কথা বললাম ও কোনো ইয়ে করলো না ডু ইউ নো অ্যাবাউট বাংলাদেশ
Yeah, I know Bangladesh because there is some people there in our country from Bangladesh.
Wow.
Yeah, so and even the government gave them land to do agriculture. So
Can you do you know anything about Bangladesh? Any historical place like Cox's Bazar, like about any other places in Bangladesh like Sundarban? Do you know anything?
I know Dhaka.
Any mountains? Oh, only capital of Bangladesh, Dhaka. Okay, thank you so much, Simon. Say bye bye to our audience.
So, however, like people from Bangladesh, everywhere, I love you. I'm called Simon from Uganda. So get a chance and visit there. You will see each and everything, or you can Google and you see about our country. It's very good.
Thank you so much, Simon. Bye. Have a good day. তো ঠিক আছে আপনারা সবাই ভিডিওটি দেখলেন যাদের ভালো লাগবে ভিডিওটি লাইক করবেন শেয়ার করবেন এবং কমেন্ট করবেন ধন্যবাদ সবাইকে আসসালামু আলাইকুম